Because of the program and my work with my mentor in this Creative Mentorship, not only did I change formats and storytelling techniques, which was my main goal, but I started calling myself audio artist, not audio producer, which is really big thing for me. We changed the whole approach in our media outlet that we are now facing. So we change everything because of this mentorship program.
Well, the biggest change that I feel would be the scope of thinking when I'm thinking about my career and the trajectory of it. My mentor Nicola was very helpful in helping me understand and see the big picture, because I had the tendency to get lost in the small details that are not really important in the long run and maybe not necessarily would bring me closer to my goals. So he was able to pull me back out of the reductionism, I would say, and help me realize the importance of strategy when it comes to the release of my art.
Being a part of this program made me realize something that I didn't even expect that could be something that I would gain from a program like this. And it kind of gave me an insight into these really fresh perspectives of the field that I work with. For example, working in the independent cultural scene in our context, which are really impediment, really risky, really precarious actually, with the same people, because our scenes are kind of really small. The same problems, the same challenges are discussed over and over again. And when you connect with someone who is years younger than you, starting in the same field, they will face the challenges that we all face, but they come with this new energy, this new perspective, this really new positive expectations of the things, which sometimes, however, maybe they will not be met, but they're really, really needed for someone to make something of themselves, to really, and which is really important, to sustain in this scene.